Vanakkam. I am Vino Rayen. Food is the heart of Tamil culture. Today, I will teach you the essential phrases you need to order food and enjoy a meal like a local. Let us head to the restaurant. When you enter, you might ask, Mejai irukka? Is there a table? Or Thanni konjam kudunga? Please give some water. Practice with me. Thanni konjam kudunga. To see what's cooking, ask menu card irukka or enna சாப்பாடு இருக்கு. What food is available? Let us try. என்ன சாப்பாடு இருக்கு? That's right. Will you repeat? என்ன சாப்பாடு irukku. In Tamil Nadu, we love our staples, Idli, Dosai and Sambar. When ordering, just say the name and add venum, want. For example, rendu dosai venum. I want 2 dosas. Is it spicy? Karama irukka? Is it sweet? Inippa irukka? Practice. Karama irukka? Inippa irukka? This helps the waiter know your preference. Karama irukka? Inippa irukka? When you have finished your delicious meal, ask for the total. Bill Evvalavu. How much is the bill? Remember our numbers lesson. Bill Evvalavu. Say once again. Bill Evvalavu. That's right. If you enjoyed the meal, it is polite to say, சாப்பாடு ரொம்ப ருசியாக இருக்கு. The food is very delicious. Practice. ருசியாக இருக்கு. Once again. சாப்பாடு ரொம்ப ருசியாக இருக்கு. Good. No Tamil meal is complete without coffee or tea. Ask, ஒரு filter coffee வேணும். I want 1 filter coffee. Coffee is a favorite in our region. Mikka nandri. Now you are ready to dine in Tamil Nadu. To practice these phrases one-on-one, book a lesson with me on Preplay. Visit yoga-8.com for more health and language wisdom. God bless you. சாப்பிட வாங்க. Come and eat.